Well, hello, welcome, Williams, Philippines. Boy, it is Wednesday, January 7th at 7:52. Uh, long day. I ate. Productive day though. I got over. I looked at a couple of motorcycles. I got over and rented one, a little Honda Click 125. Yay. Then I took a ride to go get something to eat, and then I headed out of town. Went all the way up, getting used to the ride of the bike, all the way up to Denal and back. And that's, I don't know, 55 so kilometers or something like that, 60 kilometers. So when I filled my tank back up, it took 1.12 so, uh, liters. So yeah, pretty decent gas mileage on that thing. Uh, oh, I'm actually not funny. I'm just really mean, and people think I'm joking. Yeah. I'm gonna have to wear this one out tomorrow. I I just got out the shower and ate, sat down to do this. I'm tired, but I did find it's I think Rusi Adventure or Rossi Adventure. Uh, I'm not sure. I saw so many bikes today, but I found one that I liked. Cash price is 105,000 pesos, so under 2,000. So that's good. Uh, I also saw a Bergman for 88,000 and a PCX for 122,000. So uh, I'm tired. Gonna have to try to find somebody who has a Bergman, an ADV, and maybe the Honda uh, Airblade. See if I can find those. I don't know. All I know is I am tired. Uh, I got to do a bunch today, and between all my walking and riding all the way up there and all the way back, and having to deal with people and people and people, oh, lots and lots of people, I'm wore out. Don't get me wrong, I've had a good day. Just got through eating. Uh, it's fried chicken, some lumpia, a thing of rice, and pork something. Yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it. Uh, Problem is, now I really do want to go to sleep, and I was trying to fall asleep before I ate. So, yeah, it's a good thing I'm not cooking tonight. I have soup left over, but it wasn't in the mood for soup again, especially smoky soup. You're not supposed to burn your soup. I did a dumbass. Oh well, life happens. Yeah, let's see. Tomorrow I want to try to go and part of me wants to take and go north up to Denal where I was today and a little further. There's some houses up that way, Then another part of me wants to go to the south, which is basically all the way through uh, Cebu City, and have to deal with all that traffic before I even hit the open road. And then part of me says, "Oh, go to the other side of the island." Uh, yeah, decisions. And like I say, trying to pick between the different bikes I'm looking at, checking and seeing, you know, what the different variants of the same bike. It's like, well, they've got the carbureted version, they got the fuel injector version, and then they got the bigger version. And what extra, yeah, 125 or 150? That's what I'm feeling like right now. I don't know about y'all, but I'm enjoying being here and living life. Uh, don't get me wrong, I miss my family. I love them dearly, but I'm really loving being over here. I am so grateful to be off the hamster wheel. And my day actually ended up being shorter than what I planned because I woke up late. But the way I had it lined out, that just put me, you know, an extra 2 hours behind schedule. But I had planned on getting home early anyway. So, yeah, I made a run, decided to make that trip up to Denau. And tomorrow, I really want to go up there in a way. And again, like I said, the other side of the island and this south end of the island. I need to go to the south end of the island. That's what I'm thinking. I don't feel ready for trying to go through all of the traffic that is between here and the south side of Cebu City Metro, because that's a bunch of vehicles. Might not be so bad if I actually get out of here on at a reasonable hour, but yeah, I want to not be doing too much driving late at night. Uh, don't get me wrong, I can see, but I'm getting halos from the cataracts, or the not the cataract surgery, but the lenses, and they said that was going to be an issue, and I knew it. So I don't try to do too much driving at night. I don't want to. But if I go too far, I might have to decide to stay out there tomorrow night. I'm not sure I'm ready, but part of me wants to go ahead and do that. Uh, so, do I pack up in the morning and go looking for a helmet, or do I pack up in the morning and travel and go look at apartments and such? Because there's a car, car, care south. uh, yeah, and it's got a lot of places listed that are. Yeah, I was doing the Facebook thing last night, and they got a lot of listings. And let me tell you, I hate Facebook. The marketplace is probably the only redeeming thing I can say for it. Here, everybody uses marketplace for everything, and the rest of Facebook too. But everything's on. I found so much different things. Uh, yeah, and I was looking at motorcycles. They have Facebook pages. They don't have their own web page, but they got Facebook page. Yeah. So I'm Facebook again. All right. When you, those of you who are going to rag on me for that, I understand. It wasn't exactly. I want to, because I don't. I didn't. But yeah, just just one day of using the Facebook Marketplace, I can understand why people use it. The rest of it, no. Uh, but yeah, it is what it is. And I'm actually so wiped out right now, it's unreal. I think my video got out last night before, but I'm not sure. Uh, so if this ends up being two of them out today, sorry. The other one was supposed to be out last night before, but yeah, I had distractions. No, smoky chicken soup. It's still edible. I know, right? It is what it is. Anyway, I hope y'all have had a blessed day. I got lost somewhere on the way through trying to do something, and I found a lighthouse. I'm going to try to get that and post it up here in a few too. So, y'all have a blessed day. Thank you for following and like, comment, subscribe, do your thing. Your choice again. If you can retire, then retire. And find a place where you can actually afford to live at a better life. Like I say, I've gone from poor boy Texan running the rat race. Yay, run the hamster wheel, run, spin, spin, spin. Yeah. To not having to spin the hamster wheel, not having to run. And I went from poor boy Texan to middle class Filipino. You might need to think about things. Why are you staying where it costs you more to live than it's necessary? Anyway, Williams, Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, uh, and more food. Like, comment, subscribe, do you. That's who you are, do you. Enjoy it. Don't worry about what other people think. It's their problem. And quite often, most of them don't think about you, if they think at all. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm Fish. Fish is out. Later. Blessings. Bye bye.